everybody, it's Wendy, and today I have for you the Jesse James Magical Mystery Bead Box unboxing for April 2021, and I actually had to think about the month for a second. It's been a crazy month for us. We have moved. So, Jesse James Magical Mystery Bead Box. I absolutely am so excited to be able to unbox this for you. So this is the first one I've ever received, and I'm going to give you the prices. So they have different options. If you go on their website, and I will provide a link in the description box below that you can click. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission. Just full disclosure there for your sign up if you do sign up, but I appreciate it so much, and it helps me to keep my channel going and to put out more videos. So 1 month is $49.63. 3 months is $127.44, which breaks down to $42.48 per box. And then they have a 6-month and a 12-month option, and there were a bunch of other options on there as well for different things. So yeah, this is really cool, and I'm so excited to be able to unbox this. So let me open it up. I did open it the other day. I've received it a couple days ago, but I've actually just got my bead room to where I can even film in here. So I looked inside, but I didn't really get into it. So what's inside? It looks like this is the Pantone Classics 2021. I did Google Pantone, and Pantone is a company that they do color matching, and they set some design trends and color trends, and so yeah, this is really cool. So these are the classic colors, I guess. And inside here we have a bead strand in classic, a boho bead assortment, a tricolored metal ball mini mix, a metal assortment, design elements bead mix in Pantone classic, a 24-inch pearl chain, silver metal tassels, mini mix in Pantone classic, and chain reaction. So how exciting is this? I'm excited to get in here. So the first thing, I'm just going to go in order, is the bead strand in classic. So that is this. This is so beautiful, and I have had this particular bead before. I had it in a red, a really pretty burgundy color, and I love these. They are little tiny metal rosettes, and they're so beautiful. So we've got some crystals on here. We have some rhinestone rondelle spacers. Look at this one, how beautiful. This is a beaded bead. We've got some more crystals. This is a bead that has little tiny seed beads all over it, and oh my goodness, they're just gorgeous. And I love, one thing about Jesse James beads that I love is they include different elements in here. So they have like these rondelle spacers. A lot of times they'll have bead caps in here, and I just think that's really cool. So this is absolutely stunningly beautiful. It's got creams and kind of smoky grays, blacks, clears, almost like golds and bronzes. It's just beautiful. So that is the classic bead strand, or bead strand in classic. Then we have this boho assortment. That's this one. And oh my goodness, look how pretty this is. Can you see that's like an opal effect? My camera is not wanting to focus for some reason. This is a new filming situation for me, so I'm having to get used to it. It's different lighting. I have a lot of natural light here from the window that I've never had before, so it's just taking a little getting used to. But these are like AB crystals, and this is, I guess it's AB, but it almost looks opal. It's really beautiful. And there are 3 different ones. They're just very ornate. They have the bead caps attached, which is really cool. Really pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the lid back on this. Then we have a tricolored metal ball mini mix, and that would be this. I'm going to go ahead and open all these. Okay, so these are really sparkly. It's like a crystal inside with almost like a metal mesh on top. Really pretty. They have them in gold. They have them in rose gold, and they have them in silver. Look how pretty those are. And they look to be about 16 millimeter, I'd say. Really pretty. So you get 6 of those. Look how pretty all this looks together. I mean, it all just coordinates so beautifully. Just absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Then we have metal assortment, which would be this. Oh, these are pretty too. I have one of these in copper, but it doesn't have... Ooh, they look like they have little crystals inside them. Oh. Okay, so let's see what these are. Look how pretty. So this is a leaf with some crystals on it, a pendant piece or charm. Could be an earring finding, could be a chandelier component. And these are so cool. So I have the same bead in a copper, but if you can see, there are little clear crystals in there. My copper ones do not have that. That is just absolutely cool. Oh, I love this. It's a rose gold. These are beautiful. And then these are some little drops, like heart-shaped on, well, not really heart-shaped, just teardrop maybe. Beautiful in silver. And here are some square disc beads or square beads. They're flat, double-sided, of course. Very heavy, nice metal. So, oh, I love this. This is my favorite thing so far. Those are so pretty. I hope you can see the crystals inside. It has little clear crystals in there. It's so cool. Okay, so that's the metal mix. And then we have, or the metal assortment, Design Elements Bead Mix in Pantone Classic. Oh, that's this. Wow. Okay, I'm going to have to move some of these. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, let me... Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. So there are a couple of leaf pendants, or like I said, earrings. They're double-sided, so they do mirror each other, I believe. Not totally. They're similar. Okay, but this, yeah, you couldn't really mirror them because the veining in this one is indented and it's out on this one, so that wouldn't work. But still, they make great earrings. We've got some, look like shell component beads here. Oh, these are beautiful. You all know I love shell. Then we have some, these look like faceted drops. They're kind of like an opaque, almost pearly finish to them. They're very, very pretty. Okay, and then we have some really sparkly faceted beads. These are ovals. They've included bead caps in here, the little tiny rondelle spacers. Wow. I'm trying to get my camera to focus. It's having issues. I'm telling you, it's going to take me some time to get used to filming in this different situation. This is really cool. These look like crosses. They also kind of look like a star. Those are really cool metal beads with beautiful crystals here. And these are the diagonal. I love these diagonal drilled ones. Look how faceted and shiny they are. They're gorgeous. Okay, then we've got these cage beads again with the crystal inside. I love these. We've got some European style large hole beads, some pearls, more pearls. These crystals, I love these faceted crystals that they include. They're just so, so sparkly, pretty. Wow, so look at this. This is a beautiful mix. This is an acrylic, I believe this one's acrylic bead. But look at that mix, and look at it with this. Oh, it's just stunning. They're all just so pretty together. I can't wait to get into this and make some things. So beautiful. So let me just put it all here so you can just look at it for a minute. That's what I like to do with my beads. I get them and I just like to look at them for a while. Just sit them out and look at them. See what comes to you. So those are gorgeous. Okay, then we have 24-inch pearl chain. That's this. Wow, this is a long strand, guys. So look how pretty. Classic pearls, just beautiful. They're already linked for you. What an awesome little chain. You could take it apart if you wanted. You could leave it together. You could use parts of it for different things. It would be pretty as an earring with a little dangle on the end. Very nice. 24 inches too. That's a lot. Silver metal tassels. Oh, y'all know I love tassels. I've done tassels over and over and over on my YouTube channel. I love them. Okay, so let me pull these out. Oh, these are pretty. And they're long. I love long tassels too. how pretty are these? Long chain tassel, just classic, beautiful design. They're metal. There we go. Those are gorgeous. You get 2 of those. Love those. So pretty. I know a lot of people would not wear those as earrings. I would. The longer the better, in my opinion. I think they're so pretty. All right. And then we have Mini Mix in Pantone Classic. So this is it, the Pantone Mini. I'm going to lay this aside. And I know y'all are probably cringing every time I dump something out here, but I want you to see it, and you can't see it very good if it's not dumped out for you. So we're going to dump it out. So pretty. Oh my goodness, look at these. So these are like a shell, mother of pearl. Oh, they're gorgeous. Mother of pearl little earring findings. They could be, or just little drops. We've got a beautiful connector in here. It's like a pave, or not pave necessarily, but rhinestone connector. So pretty. We have a bunch of these little sparkly beads. These are metal and rhinestone. There are a bunch of bicones in here. Oh, these are pretty. Actually, I'm not sure if those are bicones. They're kind of hex cut. They're really cool. These are little like barrel beads. Faceted barrel beads. Look how pretty. And I love that they included this peach in here too. This goes really well with these other colors. So let's dump this out. Oh, I love it. There's some metal beads in here. Teeny tiny little rondelles. Some faceted, again, these aren't barrel beads necessarily. This is like an elongated bicone. What a variety though. I mean, look at all this together. What a super huge variety. Wow. Okay, then we have chain reaction. Now, I've heard of this, but I've never seen it before. Oh, it's gorgeous, you guys. Look at this. Look how pretty. So you've got your beautiful chain. This is in a silver, like an antique silver. And then you've got these beautiful rondelles. Wow. That's gorgeous. And I just dropped a bead. I'm going to have to chase it into the floor. So this is, let's see how much you get of this. 18 inches. So that's pretty long. Just absolutely beautiful. I love it. Oh, I love the color too with all this together. It's so pretty. And then another chain reaction in gold. Look how pretty this is. Wow. Love it. So, and again, I think it's 18 inches. Probably, yes. So, look at this huge variety of stuff you get. Oh my goodness. These are absolutely such beautiful beads. Beautiful colors. And I had heard somebody saying something about they had a lot of acrylic in here, but I see maybe 2 or 3 acrylic beads in here, guys. So you're getting a lot of really, really nice. There's not a lot of acrylic in this mix. There's mother of pearl, there's crystals, there's shell. I mean, metals, just absolutely beautiful stuff. So well worth the money, absolutely. So I gotta say, I am highly impressed with my very first Jessie James Magical Mystery Bead Box. I'm going to have a great time creating with this, and there will be tutorials coming up using these products. So I'm going to kind of do it like I do Bargain Bead Box, how I just do the tutorials and film them. I'm going to do the same with this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. If you are on the Facebook page, the Jessie James Facebook page watching this, please come over and check out my YouTube channel. I will put a link in the description box below. And yeah, this is awesome, guys. I can't wait to get in here and start playing with it. So you guys have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.